Meaning of fought.
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 Fought. The word fought is the past tense of the verb fight. To fight means to engage in a physical or verbal struggle with someone or something. The result of a fight can vary greatly depending on the context, but typically it involves one party attempting to subdue or defeat the other. Fights can range from relatively minor altercations to serious and potentially life-threatening conflicts. Regardless of the severity, fights often leave both parties physically and emotionally drained, and can lead to long-term consequences for those involved.